Are we blinking? We're blinking. Okay, I've got marshals. Let's see here. Do we want to have him move until they get going? Yeah, as soon as the field crosses over, then you can hop back out. Okay. All right, guys. This is Euro Truck A Main TCS 2019 at Access Hobbies. Drivers, less than 5. Oh, Manny with a tip. Oh, what a tough break. Pulfer by. Biff by. Biff looking to get around Mike. Wow, it's Pulfer, Malibu, Flores, Jarrett, and Red, your top 5. Then Brady, Callaway, Lopes, and Mike Murphy. Pulfer trying to run away with it. Manny all over the back of Malibu right now. Oh, a little door slap. Oh, Manny, you should have let the marshal get it. It would have took you less time. So that's going to let Matt Jarrett get up to 3rd, Red up to 4th, Brady to 5th. Let this sort out for a second. Pulfer out front, Malibu, then Jarrett. Red, oh, this is going to about to get, oh! Justin Ealing with a round Matt Jarrett with a nice inside move at the 180. That will be for position. Matt Jarrett on his side. Brady takes over 4th, and Marshall's Matt on the way by. Brady, play nice. Yeah, right. So Matt Jarrett retains 4th. It's still Pulfer, Malibu, Red, Jarrett, and Briz. Your leader in that white and pink truck. He's got Biff Malibu trying to catch him. You see a pink and white or an orange and white truck, please give way. Those are your leaders. Justin Ealing up to 3rd. Manny just fighting his truck left and right. Justin Ealing in that dark green and black Monster Energy drink truck with the white wheel dots. That's the speed secret of the weekend right now for Euro Truck. It's the wheel dots for some reason. Hey, Joe, we should make it mandatory. If you're going to put wheel dots on a Euro Truck, you paint swirlies on them. It's still Pulfer, Malibu, and Red, your top 3 with 3:25 left to go. Matt Jarrett trying to fight his way up to 4th, or up to 3rd. He's in 4th right now. He's probably got about a 1/3 of a track to make up to try to catch Red. I'd say it's a straightaway and a couple corners. Coming up on the halfway mark. Meanwhile, back up front, Malibu draped all over the back of Pulfer.
3 minutes left.
Whew. Mike's truck looks a tick loose. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I don't know. Those are the leaders, guys. I've just been informed that Biff Malibu has loose morals. Not sure if that's a sponsor or not, but meanwhile, your 3rd place truck of, oh, you see that green Monster Energy truck, please give way. Howard Lowe getting a worst of that one. He just had a bad acid trip in that paint scheme. 2:20 left to go. Manny Flores fighting his way up to 5th. It's Pulfer, Malibu, and Ealing. Matt Jarrett holding on to 4th.
2 minutes left.
4 down, 2 left to go, drivers. Biff Malibu with the loose morals truck. Not letting Pulfer out of his sights. It's going to be a nail biter to the end as they come down the straightaway. They've got Brady and Howard Lowe in front of them now. 1:40 left to go. Oh, Biff looking to the inside. Door slap. Brady, those are the leaders behind you, bud. Oh. Woo. Nice driving by Mike Pulfer to cut his way through traffic. Biff Malibu gets taken out by a back marker. Oh. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
1 minute left.
1 minute remaining, drivers, 1 minute. Can Mike Pulfer hang? Oh, Matt Jarrett gets the worst of something. It's Pulfer, Malibu in red. Now it's going to be a question of can Justin Ealing catch Biff Malibu? 40 seconds left to go. Looks like Biff's going to try to stretch it out. Meanwhile, Pulfer out front with a comfortable lead. Is he going to take the first P1 position on the podium? 27 seconds left to go. I can see beads of sweat down his forehead, his heart beating out of his chest. He taps a flapper, keeps on going. Of course, then again, if I had Brayton Bowling behind me, I'd be sweating too. Yeah. 5 seconds left to go. This could be Mike's final lap. Can he bring it home? That's time on the master, and Mike Pulfer will win. TCS Euro Truck. Biff Malibu to second. Justin Ealing to third. Manny will cover fourth. Waiting on Matt Jarrett. Matt Jarrett will take fifth.